High wind warning through 4 p.m. So we're in the worst of it still right now, Marie, but things will be ramping down, and especially for those recovering from the recent tornadoes, giving you a nice break from the winds tonight. A weather alert for the high winds as clouds slowly decrease today. A cold day with a few flurries for the river dying tomorrow. Then another weather alert on a warm Sunday. That 60-plus degree weather is going to fuel, unfortunately, another risk of severe storms and another risk of wind damage, this time coming from storms, not just from a dry day like this. So here we are on what we're tracking today. Damaging winds continue with 70-mile-per-hour gusts reported so far in Gary. On Sunday, we turn our attention towards severe storms possible late in the afternoon into the evening. And on Monday morning, another weather alert for blowing and accumulating snow. Live at O'Hare, it's a very windy day. And look at this line of planes. Average delays at O'Hare over an hour due to some problems associated with the wind. This is actually from a cold front that blew through this morning that has dropped our temperature upper 30s instead of the mid 40s when you woke up, and temperatures don't warm a lot through the rest of the day. Tomorrow, mainly dry, couple flurries with chilly weather out at the St. Patrick's Day festivities. But on Sunday, a weather alert for a guarantee of storms late. Some of those could be severe. Unfortunately, areas hit by the tornado southeast of Chicago are in a 2 out of 5 risk of seeing severe storms. It looks like wind damage as opposed to tornadoes would be more likely this time around. So here we are tomorrow, mainly dry through the day. A couple little flurries that you'll see possible from morning through afternoon. Overall, okay weather, though, for your St. Patrick's festivities. On Sunday, we start off dry. Here we are at 8:30 a.m. A preliminary wave of rain possible midday, but most of the action again coming late Sunday night. This could be a big squall line with wind damage, even in Chicago as it rolls through. Then here comes the cold air. Monday morning's commute looks like widespread blowing snow accumulating as well. It's still several days out, so check back for updates as it looks right now, especially from Chicago northwestward, though. 3 to 5 inches, maybe even more possible. We'll keep you advised. Today, 43 with a high wind warning and some sun late. Overnight tonight, things calm down in the wind department. Skies clear out, and it's chilly one at 28 degrees. Weather alert today, weather alerts on Sunday and Monday. Then some cold but calmer weather mid next week. St. Patrick's Day itself, a high of 23 with wind chills below 0 in the morning.